The iconic espresso machine manufacturer Rancilio has been a staple in the home barista community for decades. As an entry-level single boiler, the Silvia was one of the most common starter machines we've seen on the market. Its simple design and clean interiors have kept these machines running for years without hesitation. Since the original release of the Silvia in 1998, home espresso machines have only increased in popularity. Here we are, over 20 years later, enter the Silvia Pro, a new rendition of the same classic machine, but with all new exciting upgrades to improve the overall experience of espresso at home. Hey there, I'm Amanda with Clive Coffee. With me today is the brand new Rancilio Silvia Pro. Let's dive in and take a look. The Silvia Pro is a dual boiler espresso machine with a 58mm commercial style saturated group head. It boasts two vibratory pumps, a 0.3-liter coffee boiler, a 1-liter steam boiler, while running off its own internal 3-liter reservoir. You'll also notice a new fixed hot water dispenser next to the group head for those tasty Americanos. The footprint is slightly larger than that of the original Silvia to accommodate the second boiler inside. With a height of 15.3 inches, a width of 9.8 inches, and a depth of 16.5 inches, the Silvia packs a huge amount of performance in a small package. One of the most obvious changes from the original Silvia to the newest model is the factory PID on the face of the machine, which allows for exact control over boiler temperature. Not only does this added control offer more versatility within a wide range of coffee varieties, but it also adds a level of consistency with the machine's excellent thermal stability. Furthermore, when you switch on the pump, the PID doubles as your integrated shot timer. Within the PID, you also have a variety of handy settings to choose from. From the menu, you have the ability to edit boiler temperatures, program the auto-on timer, edit standby times, run through easy backflush cycles, and a variety of other useful options. We know a machine is special whenever house technicians get excited. The original Silvia is one of the most straightforward machines to depanel, and the Silvia Pro is just as simple. Internally, the Silvia Pro is built with long-term maintenance in mind. Getting under the hood can be easily done by removing just a few screws and will only require basic tools. As a dual boiler, the Silvia Pro can swiftly pull shots and steam milk at the same time. To turn on the steam boiler, you simply have to click the steam button when warming up the machine. The Silvia Pro also includes a stock commercial-style steam wand with an included 4-hole steam tip, perfect for texturing delicious creamy microfoam for those latte lovers in your life. The delightful simplicity of the Silvia Pro is a welcome addition to anyone's kitchen. If you're looking for a long-term investment, this machine will certainly stand the test of time with just a bit of care and maintenance along the way. Quality and consistency is easily achievable with the Rancilio Silvia Pro, and we're thrilled to add this iconic machine to our lineup. What do you think? Is the Silvia Pro something you're considering? I'd love to hear from you. As always, leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below, subscribe for more coffee content, and we'll catch you next time.